Our related race project is finding the radius over time as we pour pancake batter onto a pan. Once it is poured, we measure the height and the radius to find dh over dt, which is equal to 0.073 inches per second, from the height being 3/8 of an inch within 5.11 seconds.
What we know about this problem is the total volume it reached with respect to time of 7.2 inches cubed per second. We also know height with respect to time as 0.073 inches per second, as stated before. We need to find the increasing rate of the radius when it is 1.5 inches and 3 inches. The equation used is the volume of a cylinder, which is pi times the radius squared multiplied by height. Taking the derivative of this equation will help us find the rate at which the radius changes. We use the product rule to get dv over dt equals pi r squared dh over dt plus 2 pi r h dr over dt.
Now we're going to solve for when the radius is 1.5 inches, and we took our derivative equation and plugged in our known variables of 7.5 cubic inches per second for dv dt, 1.5 inches for the radius, 0.073 inches per second for dh dt, and 3/8 of an inch for height. After we plugged in all of the known variables, we get an answer of 1.89 inches per second for our radius with respect to time. Now we're going to do the same thing for when the radius equals 3 inches to get an answer of 0.73 inches per second for dr over dt.